All right, loves, I got the goods and I'm ready to make some cocktails. Are you ready to make some cocktails? I think we all need a cocktail right now. It's sunny, it's quarantine. I think those are the only reasons we need. So I'm gonna teach you how to make some skin boosting, delicious, quarantine friendly cocktails that are so easy. You don't have to be a mixologist to master them.
Hide.
Baby.
We don't want any.
Do you want the sugar-free lemon drop or the Mezcal Spritz first?
Give me the mezcal, please. Please.
Okay,
Look
baby.
how nice I am.
Anything you want.
How much the Matrix now?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Made myself a little quarantine bar so we could get the cocktail party started, and Nate wanted the Mezcal Spritz first. I have everything I need here to make both cocktails, but the Mezcal Spritz one is so good for summer. One tip and trick when it comes to skin boosting alcohol, you want something that's really pure and high quality. This Mezcal is 100% agave. That's really what you're looking for with Mezcal. It has a really nice smoky flavor, so if you're not super into smoky taste, you could just do regular tequila instead. But this recipe is amazing, you're gonna love it. So it is grapefruit, mezcal, a little soda water, a little tajin, or Trader Joe's has a chili lime option that's really good too. So put a little of that on the rim and a little inside, and it is, so it's 1 part mezcal, 2 parts fresh grapefruit juice, and I got this on a walk off a random tree in Los Angeles, and then 3 parts soda water, which I actually have in here. Voila! But if you live in LA, there's so many fresh citrus right now, so you could definitely swap this out with oranges. Lemon might be a little too tart, but oranges, grapefruits, all great options. And make yourself a little spicy rim. Oh, oh, da 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 da. I just now realized in starting a YouTube channel that I speak all the time. Okay. Oh, voila! The other great thing skin-wise about this cocktail is it has vitamin C. So vitamin C is a great antioxidant to protect your skin from the harmful summer rays that we're dealing with right now, and really just helps prevent against oxidative stress from everything in the environment. And this recipe is one I've had on my blog for a really long time, I think over a year now, and it's just fun to be able to refer back to my website. I'm like, oh, what was that recipe? So if you're looking for more healthy cocktail recipes or healthy food recipes, go check out thetruespoon.com. There's gems on there. And then this is the hard part. This is where you really should have some sort of funnel. Okay, then you're gonna pour the cocktail. Ooh, wow. Mildly impressed with myself. That was almost flawless, almost. All right. And there you have it. That is the Mezcal Spritz. And I'm gonna give it a little sip, let's see. It's so good. Okay, babe, first sip, everyone knows the rules.
I understand.
What do you give it? He doesn't like salt, by the way. What do you think?
That's good. It's less salt. That's good.
A little less salt.
Yeah, that's great. Thank you.
Are you gonna score it?
I'm gonna go watch the Matrix now. Yeah, this is all lemon.
All right, let's get into the second cocktail. We are gonna make a sugar-free lemon drop. And a lemon drop is kind of a 90s, like Sex and the City. When did Sex and the City come out, actually? Early aughts?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, so more early aughts, but it's not as popular now, but it should be because it is absolutely delicious. And you can use Lakanto instead, which is a monk fruit and has really low glycemic index, so you're not gonna get those negative skin effects of using refined sugar, since a lemon drop is pretty much just vodka, lemon, and sugar. So let's make it. And for this recipe, we're using Tito's vodka. We love this vodka in our house, but it is not gluten-free. So if you're looking for a gluten-free cocktail, you can use a Chopin or another gluten-free vodka and make it a gluten-free cocktail. So we're gonna do, no, we're not gonna do this first. We are gonna do the lemon and the Lakanto first. So you really wanna make sure that you're melting your monk fruit. If you don't care about sugar or skin health, feel free to use regular sugar, but I love this as a substitution in baking, in cocktails, and everything. So I'm gonna use a teaspoon of this Lakanto monk fruit sugar, and I'm putting that in. Then I'm gonna put in the lemon juice to melt the sugar so you get a really smooth cocktail. So very, very important. This also feels like a really upscale drink, so if you have a cocktail party or you're hosting people for dinner, especially your parents, because they'll remember it from their era when lemon drops were really popular. Okay, so that's good to go. Now the fun part, you get to finally add the Tito's. So 1 ounce or 1 shot glass, or like my tutu used to say, 1 jigger of vodka. Then we're gonna do 1 jigger of sparkling water. Now you're gonna make a makeshift cocktail shaker, unless you're bougie and you have one. I used to have one, don't know what happened to it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some ice into a mason jar, and I'm gonna pour in the cocktail. A bigger mason jar would probably be better. I might have to do 2 rounds of this. Seal it up. Give it a little shake. Okay, it shook. Number 2, sugar-free lemon drop. Let's see what you think.
I might be the wrong person.
Very masculine glass for my handsome husband. What do you think?
That's fine. It just tastes like sugar.
Yeah?
Yeah, it tastes like a lot of sugar.
Well, it's just the sugar on the rim, I think, getting you all hot and bothered.
Drink the mezcal.
It doesn't taste that sweet.
It's very
It's actually
sweet.
really light and delicious. Really, you
Sweeter
think it's
than
sweet?
Jameson.
Sweeter than his favorite drink, which is Jameson. Do you want it?
Jameson.
You know what, babe? I'm not even gonna complain because I'm just happy to have him on camera. If you want to see more Nate, comment below. We'll get him on for more things.
Grateful that you don't.
Comment below.
Mezcal.
You'll take
Mezcal for the
one?
win.
Here, do you want to take it though?
No.
Okay, I'll drink this one.
I'm not a fan of that one. It's good, but
It's just not your vibe. I totally get it.
I'm not a 17-year-old college student, sorority girl.
It's totally a sorority girl drink, but you know what? It's delicious. Not mad at it. With that, you just learned 2, this is 4, 2 skin boosting summer cocktails to get you through quarantine. I hope you enjoyed. If you try this at home and love it, hate it, whatever, let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear from you, and I will see you again next Tuesday. Thank you so much again for tuning in and hanging out with me and Nate. He's over obviously watching The Matrix and just drinking his mezcal. He's very happy to be done with recording. Thank you again. Love you. Mwah. Like and subscribe. I'll see you soon.